Here, you want to put the macaroni underneath? Look. Wow! Wow! Do it again. Do it again. Turn it over. Where are they? Wow! Do it again. Wow! Good girl. Put them in and take them out. Where are they? Where are they? Lift it up. Look. Wow. You're having so much fun with your pasta. Wow. This is so fun. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the macaroni? Lift it up. Lift it up. Yeah, lift it up. I don't think there's anything under there. Lift it up. No, you don't want to? What's there? What's underneath? Let me see. There's nothing there. Look, here's two more. Look. Say bye-bye.